Coal slime generally refers to the semi-solid substance formed by water in pulverized coal. It is a kind of product in the coal production process. It has very big difference in nature and availability. Coal slime ball press is composed of 3 parts. One is the feeding part. The feeding part of coal slime ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. The screw feeding device is driven by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor and rotated by the pulley and worm reducer force the pressed material into the main feed port. The second is the transmission part. The main transmission system of the coal slime ball press is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear and roll. The main engine is powered by the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the rod pin coupling, through the belt pulley, and the cylindrical gear reducer. The third part is the forming part, mainly refers to the host part of the coal slime ball press. The core part is the roll.